Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. And a good Sunday morning to you. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. I do read every one of them. Y'all please be sure and check out my 2 new books and my new channel, Weyburn'S Blogs. The links are in the description. Also, I want to thank all of y'all for helping me get to 75,000 subscribers on this channel. It won't be long, we'll be getting to that 100,000 subscribers, and then we're going to have that $1,000 giveaway. Y'all, not too much has happened this past week. We can only hope that next week something good may happen. There's a lot of good possibilities that could happen. Nothing good has happened so far. President Trump is still threatening to pass his executive orders on stimulus checks to the people. Now, my question is, when will he stop talking about it and actually do it? Please give me your thoughts below. And also, there was a couple of people that said that they heard that the stimulus checks that President Trump is thinking about sending, that $300 billion that's just sitting there, they said that all them other executive orders will be taken away from that. No, they won't. They've heard some wrong information. People are bashing on Donald Trump, trying to make him look bad. Y'all, he don't need no help doing that. He can do that very well on his own. But the checks is in a pool of money by themselves. Nothing else is coming out of that pool except the stimulus checks. All them other executive orders that he's getting together, they're coming from the general fund, which means the Feds is going to print some more money to pay for them. If you have not signed up for the summer meals program for your kids ages 19 and younger, please just call the number. They will tell you where to go pick up the food in your area. The food is free. There is no red tape involved, and no, it is not the food stamp program. Most states are now saying they have 6 weeks of unemployment for the people that needs unemployment. You know, when it first started, they said it was going to be 3 weeks, then it was 4 weeks. Well, now most states are saying 6 weeks they have on hand. Y'all, I went to the post office yesterday morning, and everybody was standing in line 6 feet apart like they were supposed to be. Everybody was wearing their mask like they should be. It was about 12 people in line with masks. There was this one man come strolling in without a mask on. Everybody started giving him the stink eye. Of course, it didn't bother him a bit. Y'all, a lot of people wear masks because they care about other people. But then on the other hand, you got a lot of people that says wearing masks is infringing on their rights. No, it is not. If they don't wear masks, they're infringing on our rights for not getting COVID. It's not that they feel like their rights is being trampled on. They're just being idiots. Put on your mask. I did a video yesterday of how President Trump and the House can pass stimulus checks and a bill without the mooch man. They can get the stimulus out to the people. The mooch man says he don't think we'll get a bill passed before the election. I think he is wrong. Come on, Mr. President, let's prove him wrong. Give him that wake-up call. Now, I want to ask you all a question. How many of you right now can afford lobster for dinner? I know I can't. But right after the skinny bill did not pass the other day, the Mooch man decided to say that September the 12th, from now on, will be National Lobster Roll Day. It's nice to see he can afford lobster. There's so many Americans that don't know where their next meal is coming from, let alone being able to afford lobster. Come on, Mooch. Really? Lobster? You're a work of art. This weekend, the Mooch man said he don't think we will get a bill passed before the election. When Nancy Pelosi was asked the same question, she said, "I am optimistic that we will get an agreement. That's what we all want." We've all heard agreements before. When will we get a bill passed? Agreements means nothing until they sign their name on the dotted line and pass the bill. Y'all, President Trump is our best bet right now for stimulus checks. Right now we know Congress is doing nothing at all to help the American people. It really looks like they don't want to help the American people. And whether you like Donald Trump or not, it was his executive order that got a $300 unemployment boost for people on unemployment. Congress would have just let it run out and turned their backs on those people. And because of Donald Trump's executive order, people are not getting kicked out into the street, out of their homes right now. They've got some time. I agree these executive orders don't do a lot for everyone, but at least something. What has the Senate and the House done for us lately? Nothing at all. I can hear Janet Jackson singing that. What have you done for me lately? Y'all, let's just hope the Mooch man and Cruella DeVille can get something passed this next week. We see they didn't do anything this past week or last month for that matter. Come on, President Trump. It's time to sign those orders. It's time to help the people. Y'all, I don't know if I'll be making another video today or not. I got a lot to do. I want to go to church this morning. Then I need to go see my brother. It's been a while since I've seen him. And when I leave his house, I need to go to my sister's house. So I don't know if I'll get another video made today or not. And it all depends on if anything happens. It's Sunday, so probably nothing will happen. Y'all, please check out my books. They're in the link below. Check out my other channel. It's in the links below. It's all about how to make money on YouTube and online in general. I still have stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. Check those links out. Y'all, it was a guy that commented yesterday that all I want to do is sell stuff on my channel, that I am no better than the people I talk about. To him I say, he probably will never be able to say he's got something. He sounds like a lazy person that makes excuses about everything. Yeah, I sell a lot of products here, and I sell a lot of them. I make very good money selling my products. And I thank all of my loyal viewers for that. I work 12 hours a day on this stuff. I don't have time for a 9-to-5 job. So yes, I do sell my products here. So does everyone else that makes YouTube videos. So does the television that guy watches. If he wasn't so lazy, he could do the same thing. Y'all, I'm sorry, I've got to get that off my chest. I mean, let's face it, everybody that's on YouTube, they're here to make money. One way or the other, they're here to make money. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. And yes, I even love my haters. They still give me views. But y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And please go over and check out my other channel. It's growing pretty good now, but I still need a lot of watch hours over there. So y'all do me a favor and go watch those videos and subscribe to that channel. I will teach you how to make money online. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.